Welcome back everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to clear browsing data in Via Browser on your mobile phone. If your browser feels slow, pages are not loading correctly, or you want more privacy. First, open Via Browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu icon. Then, tap on Settings to access the browser configuration options. Inside the Settings page, find and tap on General. After that, tap on Clear Data. You will now see different types of data you can remove, such as cache, cookies, and browsing history. Next, choose the types of data you want to delete based on your needs. Once you have selected everything you want to remove, tap on OK to confirm. Via Browser will clear the selected data, and this may take a few seconds. Give the video a like, share it with others who might need it, and thanks for watching.